A, we calculate the sum of, we calculated the moment due to the 400 Newton couple as 113.137 Newton meter anti-clockwise. And in part B, we calculated the resultant force at 365.9 Newton at an angle of 34.94 degrees in the fourth quadrant. Now in part C, we want to determine the sum of moment about point A. Sum of moment about point A, that means at this point. So to do that, we look at all the forces that is acting around point A and determine the total moment. Now we have already taken care of the moment due to the couple, and there is one moment here. So now we need to do is to determine the moment due to this 600 Newton force and this 315 Newton force, and add them up to the other two moments. So let's do that. So part C, we're currently doing part C. Part C is I want to calculate the sum of moment around point A. So let's look at the first force. Let's say for the 600 Newton force, I can split into 600 cosine 60 degrees pointing this way, and then 600 Newton sine 60 degrees pointing downwards. Okay, and there's the other force, the 310 Newton. So look at the moment due to 310 Newton. The moment due to this force at point A will be 310 multiplied by the perpendicular distance, which is this and this. So it's 1.1 meter. So this is Newton meter, and it will cause a anti-clockwise moment around point A. Then we have the 600 sine 60 degrees Newton force. So that will give me 600 sine 60 degrees multiplied by the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance will be 0.4 to point A. So it's 0.4 meter, Newton meter. And the angle is clockwise, rather the turning moment is clockwise. Next, I look at the 600 cosine 60 degree Newton component force. That will give me 600 cosine 60 degrees multiplied by this perpendicular distance, 0.15 Newton meter, and this one is going to cause a anti-clockwise. And the other force already taken care of. So I need to do is to add the 800 Newton meter clockwise moment and the 113.137 Newton meter anti-clockwise moment. Right, so I have all total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moments. So all I need to do now is to add them up and to determine the answer. So sum of moment around point A is equals to positive 341 Newton meter minus 207.846 Newton meter plus 45 Newton meter minus 800 Newton meter plus 113.137 Newton meter. So that will give me, so I get minus 508.709 Newton meter, which means it is a 508.71 Newton meter clockwise. Okay, that's the sum of moment around point A.